Hi guys, welcome back to Laura Law's Craft Corner. I received a package. I am very excited to bring this first impression of the new packaging, new drills, new canvas from Pretty Neat Creative. So let's get started. It came in very tightly in this bag. So I cut it open ahead of time so you wouldn't see me struggling. Tube, guys, tube. Very impressive. Love when our diamond paintings come in the tubes. In the back of the tube, it has the 6 steps to diamond painting, which we already know, and the Pretty Neat Creative logo. Feel the beauty in the diamonds. So yes, let's get into this. Look at that. Whoop, takes right off, comes right off. It's wonderful. All right, guys, so let's see what we got here. Whoop, whoop. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is a custom. So in the top of the tube, it has a thank you for your order. Next purchase, 15% off coupon. That's awesome. All right, we're going to save that tube. And it is in a nice baggie. A nice baggie. All right. Now, some of you might say, yeah, they're trying to copy off other companies. Diamond Art Club with the soft canvas and the scallops, which I'm seeing right off the bat. However, I don't feel that way, but that's my opinion. I feel that these companies are, it's in their right to try to make their, canvases and drills and their quality, just as good as the next one. So, and I actually give kudos to Pretty Neat Creative for stepping up their game and giving better quality, and especially, for their prices on their canvases. So, kudos to them to try to make, their canvases better quality. Anyway, okay, you get a squishy wax, cheapo tweezer, I'm sorry, cheapo tray, cheapo pen. You got a 4-placer, which is awesome. You got some baggies, that's great. And we have very sharp tweezers. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So that toolkit's okay with me. Got some tape on here. Now, this canvas is soft, however, it is not as soft as other canvases, but yeah. Very impressed that they put this soft backing on it. They scallop the edges, which is, I think is a great idea because it does stop fraying from happening. This is a big canvas, guys, and it was heavy. So naturally, because it has a soft canvas, you're not going to get the wrinkles. You're not going to get the puckers. You're not going to get the rivers, which is a plus. So let's see. This is a 50 by 60 canvas. Oh my God. So it is going to take me a while to do, and this is a custom, and they put a inventory sheet in with the customs, and yes, it's a picture, a custom of me and my husband in North Carolina, which I love this picture. It is, like I said, a 50 by 60, 35 colors. Legend very, very clear, as you can see. Symbols are very, very clear. I don't see any symbols that are alike, so there should be no confusion. So let's get into this, guys, because I am like really excited to see the actual canvas. So I am going to turn this around. It is going to be so weird, like diamond painting husbands and mine face, but I'm impressed already. I am impressed already. Look at this canvas, guys. Come on now. This is a custom canvas of me and my husband, and the detail in this photo, even before you put the drills down, impresses me. Impresses me to the point where I will be purchasing from this company. I am so happy and proud to be affiliated with this company. Give them a try. Go through the affiliated link in the description below. I do get a portion commission on the purchases that you do make from that company to bring you more and exciting different crafts to the channel. So on the canvas, they have done what I requested from them. They had put the two legends, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand bottom. I think that is awesome. They have Pretty Neat Creative. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and naturally prettyneatcreative.com. Up on the top, it's Feel the Beauty in the Diamonds. As you can see, guys, the legends are very, very clear. I'm going to try to get that in for you. Symbols, like I said, oh, pickles, symbol, awesome. And then on the the right hand side is the thumbnail of your custom, and then the legend clearly there. And this is has the scalloping, but it does not take away from the actual DMC codes. You can clearly read them, so that is a plus. This is the pour glued method, which is awesome. So I'm going to pull this back, guys. It's very, very sticky. With poured glue, I love poured glue. No wrinkles, no, I'm impressed. So far, my first impression with Pretty Neat Creative is awesome. And I don't know if you can see this, guys, but the symbols are very, very, very clear. And even in Mr. Law's face, very, very clear. And even Mrs. Pickle's face, very, very clear. So I am very excited to do this painting. Like I said, just check out the detail even before I put drills on this. So I'm really excited to do this. So I think I was going to do another project, guys, but I'm too excited. I think I'm going to start this custom today. Let's check out the drills that came with Bob and I's custom. Lots and lots of blues because we are standing near the ocean and he has a lot of blue on. Okay, hold on. Oh, God. Drills, and more drills. Alrighty. Awesome. I'll tell you already. Another plus for Pretty Neat Creative, but they've been doing this, is the beads come in these baggies, so you can diamond paint right out of these baggies if you choose to. However, with me, when I diamond paint, I like my containers, so I will be keeping these for storage, these bags for storage when I'm finished, for the extra drills, because I've never done a pretty neat creative and ran out of drills. Well, I'm not going to say that. I did, not on a custom or anything like that, but it was an error on the manufacturer for that Christmas pillow I did, and they replaced the painting and the drills. So, customer service is great. This is a square diamond painting, which is going to look awesome. I don't prefer one or the other, guys. I do both, round and square. But let's check these out. I'm dying to look at these. So we got 5,200. A big bag of 5,200. We got pretty blues. Oh my god, this is going to look gorgeous. This is like for Bob's shirt. Pretty blues. And I don't see any garbage. Navy blue. More navy blue. Another like electric blue. Pretty teal color. Look at that. Wow. Purples. $5.50. Beautiful ocean blue. So I am really excited to do this. Really excited. And I will be sharing updates. Some beiges here. Grays. I will be sharing updates on this. This is for Bob's shirt again, I think. And they have the DMC code numbers and the actual number. Like 1 through 35 on here. So inventory should be quite easy to do. Some nice mauve colors and burgundies. So I am really excited to do this painting. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. More 5,200. Okay, we're going to be living the 5,200 life. Yeah, I cannot wait. So let's see if there's 35 packages here. And that's the way we do this, because when they usually send in the baggies, they do it like per weight. The drills per weight. So let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and they are all here. So that is awesome. So I'm going to take these and put these back in the package until I get my containers and kit up, because I'm definitely going to do this one first. I'm going to do this next. There's no way I'm not going to be able to start. I have to start this today. So, guys, soft back, poured glue, detail in this painting, unbelievable. Drills, the legends, everything. Right now, my first impression, I am very impressed. I'm loving the way this diamond painting looks even before I put drills on it. But like we all know, we'll have to see. I don't know really and truly how this painting is going to come out until I start putting drills on it, and we shall see. So I will keep you updated on this beautiful painting. And right now, I look pretty damn good without diamonds on me. Yeah, Bob doesn't look shabby himself. So loving this painting, guys, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of this painting as I do it. I don't think that you will be disappointed if you try Pretty Neat Creative. So like I said, go through that link in the description below and use code Laura15 and you will get 15% off of your purchase. So you will not be sorry. So I suggest, with first impressions and all the paintings that I have done from Pretty Neat Creative, give them a try. It's worth every bit of it. Every bit of your money, time, and the quality is here, and the quality, and it just seems to get better every time I order one. So try them out, guys. You got nothing to lose. So enjoy if you do purchase from Pretty Neat Creative. Thank you so much in advance, those of you that already have, and thank you in advance for the people that are going to. And subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell so you're notified for updates on this beautiful custom I received. And hit that like button if you like this video. Hit that dislike button if you don't like the video. Don't matter. Any comments, questions, concerns, or even suggestions that you particularly in different, when you're diamond painting, what you're looking for in a diamond painting, you can put that below. Something you would like me to ask or bring to Pretty Neat Creative's attention, please put that in the comments below. I'd appreciate it, and I would be curious to see what your thoughts about this company is, if you ordered from them or when you order from them. That would be great. So until my next video, guys, live, love, laugh, and craft. Do what makes you happy. I'm gonna get kitting this bad boy up because this is getting framed and put up. I could see that happening. So until my updates, guys, on this painting, till the next time, thank you for watching. Thank you for people who have been subscribed. Thank you for the people who are going to subscribe. And I appreciate all your support. And have a great day. Until my next one, guys, take care.